deal, y'all? It's your boy j.koolii back with another video. I'm on my way to go wash the car right now. I ain't washed it in a couple weeks due to a certain virus that I'm not gonna name. But y'all know what's going on. But yeah, I needed to wash. You know, white cars always get dirty and stuff like that. I'm gonna show y'all how I wash my car. It probably ain't the cleanest way or the sweetest, most impressive way or whatever. But you feel me? At least I don't use the brush, you feel me? I'll be tempted, but like, I don't use that junk. I just go to a little self-wash thing. I don't got y'all little fancy wash at home type deal, whatever. But it get fairly clean, you feel me? It be ready for car shows. I just gotta wipe it down with a towel or whatnot after I'm done. But yeah, if this is your first time watching the video or the channel, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe for me. Hit that bell notification. I got a lot of bangers coming this summer. You know, I'm trying to get out some content right now. It's kind of hard due to, you know, whatever is going on right now. I'm not gonna mention it, but yeah. So stay tuned, enjoy the video, and peace.
Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. That shit.